Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today I've got something very useful for all of you. Many of you guys bought a new iPhone or a new Android phone, and the main concern is how to transfer all WhatsApp chat including all the data media files to the new device. If you are an Android person, you know in Android WhatsApp backup stores in the local storage and the online backup stores in the Google Cloud storage. In the iOS device, the WhatsApp data stores in the iCloud backup, and you get somehow any problem while transferring the WhatsApp data from the old Android device to the new iPhone or old iPhone WhatsApp data including chats, images, audio file, documents and everything to the new Android device. So in this video I'm going to show you a proper way and the proper tool to get all this done very easily in just a single clicks. So without wasting time, let's jump to the computer screen and start the process. So for all this you will need a tool called Dr. Fone WhatsApp Transfer. It's a tool from Wondershare and this provides variety of feature in this tool. You can transfer WhatsApp chats between Android to iOS or iOS to Android, backup restore your WhatsApp chats across different platforms easily, and new features to transfer the WhatsApp business account data chats to the Android to iOS and iOS to Android. And this tool gives you more features and more flexibility to transfer the backup and restore the chats data easily between old to the new device. So it's a good alternate for the iTunes because iTunes don't give you more flexibility to transfer everything. So you can use this tool to transfer everything, and this tool is available for both macOS and Windows, and it also supports the latest iOS version 13 and also iOS 14 beta. So you can try this tool. I will give all the links in the description, so do check out for more information. So first we will install it and download it and see the practical working of this tool. So after installing the tool from the description link, just open it and install it normally. Just click on install now and this tool will automatically install on your system. After the complete installation, just click on start now and then it will launch the Wondershare Dr. Fone. So here you will see some other tools from the Wondershare Dr. Fone, but for now we only talk about the Wondershare WhatsApp transfer, so just click on that. Now here you will see so many options like WhatsApp messages transfer, backup and restore, and on the left side you will see other social media options also. So in the first option, that is backup WhatsApp messages, you have to connect your device. If you want to take backup of any of your device like Android or iOS, so you have to just plug your device and it will automatically take your WhatsApp backup. So as you can see, I have a iPhone 5s model and it will take all my WhatsApp data backup including chats, images and everything. So with just a single click you can take backup, and with the single click you can restore back into any device like Android or iOS. You have to go to the second option and you will see all the connected devices list. So you have to just click on next and it will restore your backup to that new device or old device. And the third option is the most useful option. If you have two devices, one is old devices and you switch back to the new device, so you have to transfer all the WhatsApp chat messages from the old devices to the new devices. So you can do that easily. And the best part is this tool support both Android and iOS. So if your old device is Android and you have to switch back to the new device that is iOS or iPhone or iPad, so you can copy all the WhatsApp chat data to the new device. So you have to just connect both the device, and after selecting the source and destination devices you have to click the transfer button and then it will automatically transfer all your WhatsApp data to the new device. And one more important thing, if you copy WhatsApp chat data from Android to iPhone, you have to allow the chat backup option on Android, and on iOS you have to turn off Find My Phone, and from the settings turn the iCloud option on and the WhatsApp option is also on, so that it will copy all the iCloud backup data without any restriction. So after that it will complete the transferring process. You have to just click on OK and your phone will be restart and it will be restored with a new backup, and all your old device data WhatsApp chats will be automatically transferred to the new device. So as you can see on the screen, all the old device WhatsApp chat data will be completely transferred as it is in my old new iPhone. So this is how you can do the WhatsApp chat backup between the two different devices, and you can do the same process for the WhatsApp business account. It's a new feature added in this tool. Or you can also transfer and restore backup for other different social media apps. So do check out this tool. I will give link in the description. And if you like this tool, you can check out all buying options from here. There are so many discount coupons that are on all the products, so do check out for the description link. And they are celebrating Dr. Fone 7th anniversary that gives up to 80% discount on their all the products, and it's for the limited time. So hurry up, check the description link and grab the deal. So that is all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel for more cool updates. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.